See, what I've been through, you probably experienced something similar, but not quite. Sitting in a dark room, searching for the light. See, I was fly, but I didn't have my kite. And shit really bites, especially when you're lonely at night. See, the beat drop, but I was all in. See, I was balding like my last name was Spalding. The only thing was you, was important. I gave you all my time and effort. It's something that you messed up, that's effed up. Why you had to do me like that? Now I'm like a drug, you cracking, I relapse. But perhaps I'm thinking she'll come back. And now my emotions stacked to the ceiling, and things that I'm feeling, it's like Christmas days. I am no longer willing, can't turn, and this feeling starts to burn. It's really starting to stir. I'm going kinda crazy, grab the gun and start to turn. Like, who can I shoot? I'm feeling kinda loose like a 7-year-old's too, so I'm all up in the booth, letting loose my emotions. Heart like bars by the way it's straight smoking. I'm filled with anger, nicknamed Danger, and now to me, girl, you're nothing but a stranger. Let this pain rise as it constantly throbs. See, look at the emotion in my eyes. See, I was down for the count like Dracula people, and now you talk to me, I will never ever believe you. It's like insulin, I really did need you. See, I was sick in the game, you was my cure. You was like no condom, baby, you're so raw. And then you left me for one of my homies. Did a nigga what? Oh, so lonely. With the rockers cooking fucking jabroni. Can you smell it? Shit is fucked up. But listen. I don't even know why'd you have to do that. And every time your ass I hit you with like 4 stacks. Dressed in all black, sorta like a panther. It's like Allen Iverson, you got the answers. Like you got me feeling sick like cancer. And I don't need you no more. See, without you, I can no longer breathe. It's like I can't even eat. I lost my appetite, see, I ain't feeling right. I'm lost up in the game, and you were my light to this darkness. I'm the shit no longer farting. See, it's no longer parting. I was wet in the game like a dolphin. No homo. See, had you on show like a vanity. Swear to God, blueprints, some planted seed. I was mentally inclined towards greatness. Then I realized he was filled with fakeness. See, why'd you have to do that? He was investigating, dressed always in black, like it's a funeral, the death of our relationship. Earthquake in it, that's the Haiti shit. See, you was on some shady shit. I wanna call you, but I'm allergic to bees, so I don't use profanity. Always on shows, sorta like a vanity. I thought you was my plans to see, but you what? Did a nigga dirty, give you my heart and soul and you still hurt me. Why me? Why G? Why smooth? I was the winner in this game together. We would never lose, and then you made me losing. I was on the sideline. I'm hurting and I'm hurting, trying to find a peace of mind. So I rewind time and start to reminisce and think about them thick hips and the way we used to kiss. Shit. I want you, girl. I need you back. Without you, girl, I'm having an asthma attack. Deep breaths, I'm starting to gasp. I'm looking around, I'm starting to ask, where are you?